Terror returning to Hyderabad this Thursday evening. At least 15 people feared killed, over 50 injured in what are being described as serial bomb blasts in Hyderabad. We have confirmation of at least 2 and the possibility of a third as well. The explosions taking place at a rush hour near a cinema and opposite a bus stand in the Dilsukh Nagar area of Hyderabad, which has a large fruit and vegetable market. It's an extremely crowded place where ministry sources say clearly a spot that was chosen to cause maximum impact and damage. Extensive damage is being reported, and as you can see from those visuals there, shop fronts etc. destroyed in that blast. The entire area now being cordoned off by the police so as to preserve evidence. Terror coming back to that city 5 years after the 2007 twin blasts in which over 40 people were killed. A big setback for law enforcement agencies. Hyderabad being relatively terror-free in the last 5 years or so. Speaking a short while earlier, the Home Secretary said the intensity of the blasts had been massive. The wounded are being shifted to 2 hospitals nearby, the Yashoda Hospital and Osmania Hospital. Well, I believe we're being joined on the phone line now by BJP's national spokesperson Venkaiah Naidu. Thank you for speaking to NDTV, sir. What more can you tell us at this point?
First of all, I strongly condemn this incident, and I appeal to the people of Hyderabad city to maintain calm and cooperate with the government in conducting an inquiry to find out the persons and the forces behind this dastardly act. Secondly, this incident has happened in a most congested, highly traffic area of Dilsukh Nagar on the Hyderabad, the Vijayawada National Highway, both sides of it. There will be heavy congestion in the evening. And these 2 theatres and bus stand and all, always you find thousands of people standing there. That's why they have chosen this place to create sort of fear in the minds of the people. And I have the information that it is the act of terrorists only. They wanted to create disturbance because they have earlier given a warning or a challenge to the government saying that they will take revenge for the hanging of Afzal Guru and Kasab. I think they seem to have succeeded in their attempt.
Do you not believe that this is perhaps rather premature? This has been minutes after the blast, really, and no indication to suggest who may have been responsible at this stage.
I am not naming any particular organization or a particular person, but I must also tell you, I don't know whether you people are aware of it or not, the Lashkar-e has given a statement that they will take revenge for the killing or for the hanging of these 2 dreaded terrorists. And Hyderabad is one of the hotbeds for such activities, and they have utilized this occasion to create havoc in Hyderabad. That's my hunch. And moreover, I am not coming to any conclusions because Hyderabad has such incidents earlier also.
All right, so thank you for speaking with NDTV. Venkaiah Naidu of the BJP flagging a Lashkar statement recently. However, it's very important to point out at this stage that investigations are at an extremely preliminary stage. No guesses are being hazarded at this point as to the people behind that attack. Well, I believe we can in fact listen in to the Home Secretary once again. R.K. Singh is speaking. Let's listen in.
हैदराबाद में हुआ क्या रिपोर्ट अब तक आई है आपके पास?
We have a report of 2 bomb blasts in Hyderabad. Our reports say that 10 people are dead and 50 are injured. I have been in touch with the Chief Secretary, with the DGP, and I have also spoken to the Governor. Our NIA team which is there, we have an NIA branch there in Hyderabad that has reached the spot. We are sending a team from here consisting of the IG of NIA, the NSG post-blast investigation team and some officers of the IB. The DGP would have reached the spot by now. So let us see. हिंदी में हम लोगों को सूचना 2 बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट की है, हम लोगों को जो अभी तक सूचना प्राप्त हुई है उसके अनुसार 10 लोग मरे हैं और 50 इंजर्ड हैं। जो इंजर्ड हैं उनको अस्पताल शिफ्ट किया गया है। हमारी एनआईए की वहां ब्रांच है, वहां से पदाधिकारी स्पॉट पर पहुंच गए हैं। एनआईए के एक सीनियर पदाधिकारी यहां से जा रहे हैं आज रात। एनएसजी का पोस्ट ब्लास्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन टीम भी आज रात ही जा रहा है। 9:30 बजे बीएसएफ की प्लेन से ये दोनों जाएंगे। आईबी के भी कुछ पदाधिकारी जाएंगे उस पर, जो जहां पर ब्लास्ट हुआ उसको कॉर्डन कर दिया गया है ताकि एविडेंस डिस्टर्ब नहीं हो। जो डीजीपी आंध्र प्रदेश है वो भी वहां पहुंच गए होंगे। अभी तक हम लोग टच में हैं डीजीपी के, चीफ सेक्रेटरी के, और हमारी बात गवर्नर साहब से भी हुई है। हमारी सूचना है कि मुख्यमंत्री आंध्र प्रदेश वहां स्पॉट पर जा रहे हैं।